Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome to another one of GB's great unboxing adventures. And boy, do we have a Jim fucking dandy today! Woo! So let's get right at her, eh? You know how it works. This is a video for all those fucking crazy bastards out there that want to see people open up a box. So, I'm gonna open up a fucking box. And today, like I said, it's a Jim dandy. It's a blue box, mainly blue, bit of white and brown on it. It's about 1 foot, 12 inches by 8 inches by about 3 inches. Shakes. Here you go. Are you ready? Oreo O's. I love my Cheerios, but no, Oreo O's. How about that, eh? Woo! I bet you're really excited to see what the fuck's inside here. Yeah, nice, eh? Well, let's do it. Let's get at her. Pitter patter. Come on, bitchy. Ooh, anticipation. Oh, look out. There's a bag inside. Holy crap on a stick. Oh, wow. A bag that's 2/3 full of Oreo O's. Nice. Wow. Never had these before. Saw them in the store and I said, wow, that'll make a good adventure. Well, so that's what's inside the box. Let's just open this up and give her a fucking taste, eh? Go away. Smells like Oreos. Imagine that, eh? Let's try one of these fuckers out. Tastes like Oreos. Mmm. I see another video in your future. Alright, bitches. Thanks for coming out to see another episode of GB's Great Unboxing Adventures. Oreo O's. Go and buy yourself a fucking box, eh? And unbox it yourself, bitches. Woo! RTFO, mofos.